Welcome to this tutorial on setting savings goals in GoHenry, a popular app designed to help kids and teens manage their money. Setting savings goals is an essential step in teaching children the value of saving and responsible money management. To start, log into your GoHenry account and navigate to the dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your account activity, including your current balance and any recent transactions. Next, click on the Savings Goal tab, where you can view and manage your existing savings goals. If you have not set any goals yet, click on the Create a New Goal button. Now, enter the name of your savings goal, such as saving for a new bike or a summer camp. Be specific and make sure the goal is achievable and meaningful to your child. Then, set the target amount you want to save and the deadline for reaching this goal. You can also add a picture to make the goal more engaging and fun. After setting up your goal, you can track your progress and receive reminders and notifications to help you stay on track. You can also adjust your goal at any time if needed. It is essential to involve your child in the process of setting savings goals and encourage them to contribute to their savings regularly. You can set up automatic transfers from their earnings or allowance to their savings account. By setting savings goals in GoHenry, you can help your child develop healthy financial habits, such as saving, budgeting, and responsible spending. Remember to review and discuss their progress regularly to provide guidance and support. In conclusion, setting savings goals in GoHenry is a simple and effective way to teach your child the importance of saving and money management. By following these steps and making saving a fun and engaging experience, you can help your child develop essential life skills that will benefit them in the long run.